So next I'm going to be using Kahoot. This has been used in many different classrooms to play like a fun game that will help get students engaged and also help them learn the content that's being taught. So first you're going to start by going to the website, and it's going to ask you to sign up and create an account. You can create an account for free, like as a teacher or a student. So I just created it as a student. So you're going to click at the top right corner, create, and it's going to bring you to a new page where there's like 3 options. So you could quiz, so that's like the game where there's the music and each person in the classroom gets to have access to it on their phone and types in the correct answer, and then jumble, and then survey. So let's try quiz first. So for a first grade classroom, we can do math. So first grade math. And you can add images here, and then go to the next section by clicking in the top right corner. Oh, describe it. So we could say first grade math content. We can do addition and subtraction. Oh, we have to add hashtags to it. I guess the tags will help other content to come up when we are making our. So you can add images, but we're not going to do that right now. So we'll add a question. So we'll do what's 10 plus. And then we can set our own time limit for the students. So how long they'll have to answer the question. And then we can come up with all different answers that will, so it's like basically a multiple choice question for the students. So that they'll have the choice of which one to pick. They'll have to pick the correct one. So then we'll choose the correct answer by clicking the check mark and then click in the right top corner to go to the next one. So I'm only going to do one question because I'm just showing you guys how to use it, and then we're going to save it. And then you can edit, preview, and play. Then we're going to go back and go to the other ones. So jumble. So each of these will help you learn more about the students because it will survey their answers to see who knows it and who doesn't, and it will test their knowledge on the content overall as a class and individually because it allows you to see who answered it correctly and who didn't. So I think Kahoot will be beneficial in a first grade classroom.